Is this a start of the bull run for Stellar in the crypto markets? Will Bitcoin's recent push help pull Stellar out of the basement? We're going to provide you with some articles and some data so that you can decide if this is the start of a bull run crypto spring or if this is another head fake getting set up for a buy opportunity. Let's go. All right, so I got the 1 month movement of Stellar up on the screen, and as always, any article you see in this video will be linked in the description below. So 1 month of Stellar, we can see a dramatic increase in price from sub 17 cents to now 23.3 cents. This movement, all right, in price has been led by Bitcoin's positivity recently. So let's look at Bitcoin and Stellar over the last month, and you can actually see surprisingly that Stellar is outpacing Bitcoin in the last month by 18.67%. versus Bitcoin's 9.33%. Interesting, because this is not Bitcoin ahead of Stellar. This is now Stellar ahead of Bitcoin, the laggard effect. But now let's start exploring why the price is up and if this can continue or if this is just going to be another buy opportunity for us to back the truck up. All right, so I've got an article up on the screen, 3 possible reasons for Bitcoin surge above 47,000. Remember, we always talk about Bitcoin. Why? Because Bitcoin pulls the market with it. When people talk Bitcoin, they're talking crypto in general, right? It's kind of like the word Band-Aid. Band-Aid is a name brand, but now people use it to describe a product. Bitcoin is the same way. Overall market sentiment turned positive. Bitcoin, as well as the entire cryptocurrency market by extension, remain largely correlated with Wall Street. Very interesting here. As much as native proponents would like to detach. Now, over the past 5 days, some of the largest indices in the United States, the S&P 500, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average, are all trading in the green. The entire market is trading in the green. Okay, now I know not everyone, but you guys get what I'm saying. The overall indices are green over the last 5 days. What is more, tech companies like Tesla are also charting considerable gains. Tesla stock is up for the 9th consecutive day, increasing by a whopping 35% in the same period. So we have overall market bullishness. So what is causing this bullish sentiment right now in the crypto market? Breaking news, Russia's energy minister calls for legalization of crypto mining. Okay, put aside the Russian and Ukraine drama, the fact that Russia, remember, was like, oh, okay, we don't want Bitcoin, right? Part of their government wanted Bitcoin. Putin was like, yeah, the rest of their government was like, I don't know about it. But now the energy minister is saying, hey, Bitcoin mining, let's go. So that now takes a huge segment of the population and money in the world and puts it, again, very pro-Bitcoin. But you guys know I got more. Austin, yes, Austin, Texas, or Austin, Massachusetts. Can you tell me what movie that came from? All right, Austin, Massachusetts, just throwing it out there.
Austin, Massachusetts.
Austin wants to become a crypto with 2 new resolutions. Let's read them here. Austin passed 2 new resolutions late last week, with one directing the city to explore the use of Bitcoin in financial transactions such as tax payments. The city also wants to explore the use of blockchain technology, with one city council member revealing that Austin has been looking at the technology for 4 years. So not only do we have big countries like Russia saying, hey, we're going to be a little bit more pro-Bitcoin with our policies in the future, but you have major cities in the United States now saying, hey, you know what? Crypto, Bitcoin as a whole, there are some needs that this could fill, and this could really help the development of our city. So yes, big scale Russia things and little, well, I don't want to say little city, but a smaller scale Austin thing. But you guys know I got more. And all the articles that you're seeing right now are published within the last 24 hours. So this is current juicy news propping up the market. Wisdom Tree Steinberg sees bigger payment roles for blockchain. Interesting, because we know about Stellar, we know about all the remittance and payment corridors, but we're getting more and more people now talking about what blockchain can do to help the payment industry out there. So we've got more people talking about that, but the bigger thing in this article is this: Elon Musk holding tightly to his cryptos. Yes, we now have big names like Elon Musk, who have been crypto bulls for a while, still coming out saying, hey, you know what? The price has been down, but I am still holding. Musk caught the attention of cryptocurrency enthusiasts recently after tweeting, yes, we know how Musk loves his Twitter, after tweeting that while he views physical property or stocks as a better hedge to inflation, he would hold on to his Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. So now with the news that you've seen, right, provided in this video and all the stuff that's going on in the world, because remember, we still have some global turmoil we have to do. We still got to deal with Russia and Ukraine, China and Taiwan. We have to talk about the crazy inflation issue going across the world as well. Rising fuel costs. We also have to talk about Shanghai. Yes, Shanghai going into lockdown again, Rona. So yes, even though we are seeing some short-term bullish action here regarding the crypto market and honestly the equity markets as a whole, we have to be very cautious with those 5 looming factors I just described going forward. So ask yourself this, is the short-term news that's happening right now enough to propel the crypto market through what we're going to deal with this spring? So there you have it, current events and news to help you decide if this is going to be a bull run spring or if this is just another one of those market head fakes. If you like cool stellar content, you are always welcome to click right here. And guess what? We have a second channel, an adventure-based channel. If you want to check out that channel, I suggest you click right here because we do some really cool things: stealth car camping, fishing, hiking, trekking, you name it. All right, everyone. Take care.